Okay, Boolean textures, which is a great way of joining things together and cutting holes in things. Scale Z. Right, let's just add some objects here. Add mesh, cone. Right, let's do it with a cone for fun. Scale it down, make it taller. Scale Z. Right. Now I was being terribly organised. Shift duplicate. Shift duplicate. Enter. Right. So we can show you all three different versions all at the same time. Right. Add a Boolean modifier. Go to the modifiers part and add Boolean. Now you have to select. Press enter to find out what this is called. This is cone. Cone 1, cone 2. So cone 1. Set it as the we're going to do the first one as difference. Set it to difference. So that's cone. If we put a wireframe on here, you can see it's kind of cut the hole through where the cone intersects it. Because we're in object mode, if we hit apply now, we can drag that out and you see we've got a cone shaped hole through the thing. Let's do it for the second one. Boolean modifier, and this will be union, and I think it's going to be, what's that, cone 1. Cone 1. Now let's put that into wireframe again. So what this has done is it's joined the two things together and made a union out of them. Right, cone 3. That's cone 2. Add modifier Boolean, but this is going to be intersect. I forgot what I called it. Cone 2. Cone 2. And this is showing the intersect between the two parts. Now, until you apply a modifier, it's not actually really affected. So we'll apply that one, and then delete the cone and the cube, and that's the intersection of those two. Let's apply this one. Now if we drag this, let's drag it to one side. You can see what it's done there. We'll delete that one, and then we've got cube with a spike through it, and we'll apply the. I think we already applied that one, didn't we? Yeah, we already applied that one. Let's delete that. So there we've got the three kinds of Boolean modifiers. Now the topology that they spit out has got a lot of triangles, which when you subdivide it, it can be a problem. So to fix that, we use the remesh option, and you turn that on, and pretty much right away you can see it's turned that into quads. Let's do the same thing with that one. Remesh. Now you see this one, the shape has changed quite a lot. If we turn up the octree depth, you start getting the shape back. The scale, as you can see, scales up the size of the quads. And the higher you go, the better it looks, but the more your computer will slow down until it eventually bursts into flames, takes the house with it. Let's apply that one. What's that like? Ugly Topology 2. Let's turn on the wireframe again so you can see what we're doing. Add modifier remesh. Let's get it so we can see it. Turn it to 4. Play with the scale of it. See, it's not a perfect solution, but it's all right if you're in a hurry. So that's Boolean modifiers and remesh. Grand, that's it in a nutshell. Stop.